Hey, what's up, Xiaomi fans? Today, I've got some exciting news about an upcoming device that's sure to grab your attention. The Redmi A3 Pro has been spotted on Mi Code, which means its launch is likely just around the corner. Let's dive into the details. First off, according to a report by Xiaomi Time, the Redmi A3 Pro appeared on Mi Code with the model number 2409 BRN2CG. This is a clear indication that the launch is imminent. While Xiaomi hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, rumors suggest it could hit the market this September. But here's the twist. It might not be launching in China and India. Although since the Redmi A3 and A3X were announced in India, there's still hope it could make its way there. Now let's talk about the expected price and specs for the Redmi A3 Pro. The report hints that this will be an entry-level smartphone, likely sporting a price tag of around $130 US, which is approximately 10,911 rupees. Not too shabby for a budget-friendly device with some pretty solid features. Speaking of features, here's what you can expect under the hood. First up, the display. The Redmi A3 Pro is rumored to come with a 6.88-inch HD Plus screen, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and 600 nits high brightness mode. Perfect for those who love crisp visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, you'll find a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset. When it comes to RAM and storage, there'll be several options to choose from. 4GB with 128GB, 4GB with 256GB, 6GB with 128GB, and 8GB with 256GB. So no matter what your storage needs are, there's likely a variant for you. On the software side, it's expected to run on Android 14-based Xiaomi HyperOS. Camera enthusiasts, listen up. The rear camera setup will likely feature a 13MP main camera, while the front will have a 5MP selfie shooter. Not groundbreaking, but certainly sufficient for everyday photography. Battery life? No worries there. The Redmi A3 Pro is expected to come with a 160 mAh battery and support up to 18W wired fast charging. That should keep you powered up throughout the day. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC support, dual SIM capability, and more. And for those who love options, it'll come in green, black, blue, and purple colors. So, there you have it. The Redmi A3 Pro is shaping up to be a solid entry-level smartphone with some impressive specs. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly device, this might just be the one for you. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.